Good morning and welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, March 29, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's weather. A high of 70, a low of 42, partly cloudy, and a 0% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast: milk and juice. Lunch: spaghetti, corn on the cob, hush puppies, milk and juice.
Today's birthdays: Jaquarius Turner. Happy birthday, Jaquarius.
Today's announcement: ACAP summative testing continues today. We know our 4th and 5th grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on. Late duty: today is Miss Shaver.
Important dates: March 30th, 1st grade field trip, April 7th, 3rd quarter honor walk, April 14th, Kona Ice and spring picnic.
Shout out to Miss Tompkins, Miss Clark, Miss Hogan, Miss Garner, and Miss Langford for setting up their Reflex account and working on building mastery on facts. As a school, we should already solve 19,000 facts.
That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Shepherd Scholars.